In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn passive music royalties on Whop. If you've ever wanted to share in the revenue a song generates, Whop makes it possible with royalty share products. Start by opening Whop and heading to the Discover section. Use the search bar to look for terms like streaming royalty rewards or music royalties for creators. Browse the listings and click into any offer that catches your eye to read the full description, what rights you're getting, and how payouts work. Take a moment to check the creator's track record and any community reviews so you understand the risk and the potential. When you find an offer you like, purchase or claim the royalty share product. In simple terms, the creator lists a song or a catalog and you buy a stake in the royalties tied to that music. Before you confirm, review the percentage share, the duration of the deal, fees, and whether there are any caps, clawbacks, or resale rules. Make sure the price you're paying aligns with the expected earnings the listing describes. Once you own the royalty interest, you're set up to earn passive income whenever that music generates revenue. This can include streaming on major platforms, licensing for content, or other usage. Keep in mind that income is variable and not guaranteed. Performance depends on how often the music is played or licensed. Many projects share statements on a regular schedule, so note the cadence and the currency used. You can increase your chances of higher returns by promoting the song or catalog you've invested in. Share it with your audience, add it to playlists you manage, post short clips, and encourage genuine engagement. Avoid anything that artificially inflates plays, as that can violate platform rules and harm the project. Authentic discovery tends to sustain better results over time. Next, keep an eye on your Whop dashboard or the specific account portal provided in the listing. That's where you'll see payout timelines, minimum thresholds, and any verification requirements. Turn on notifications and regularly check for updates so you don't miss important distribution dates or documentation requests. When payouts are ready, follow Whop's process to withdraw your earnings. You may need to link a payment method and complete identity verification. Confirm any fees, minimum withdrawal amounts, and processing times. It's also smart to track your earnings for your records and taxes. And that's it. Explore, invest carefully, promote responsibly, and monitor your dashboard so you can collect the royalties you've earned.